Dear Gemini people, welcome to Know Thyself YouTube channel. Hope you all are staying safe and keeping well in this difficult time. This short video presents a spiritual message for you for the month of July. I use the power of love activation cards to guide me with this message. The message focuses on some of the attitudes you need to have within you to power your love and to give expression to it in every aspect of your life as you enter into and live through the month of July. Since it is a general message, it may not resonate with all of you. Please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. I have pulled out 4 cards after shuffling the cards well and praying to the divine to give you the message you really need as you enter into the month of July. The theme of the first card is joy. The description on the card reads, "You delight in the love of life and bring a spirit of fun to all that you do. You experience joy when there is happiness, contentment, and serenity in your life. Joy implies celebration of life. You are joyful because you are fully aware of the key role you played in making this celebration real for you and for your loved ones. Joy makes you feel fulfilled because in joy you are in touch with your divine self and bring alive the celebratory feeling you feel deep within yourself in the lives of those around you. Dear Gemini friends, the divine or the universe calls you to live a life of joy in the month of July and empower others with joy, grace, and peace. The theme of the second card is ownership. The description on the card reads, "You acknowledge your misdeeds and accomplishments alike and learn to love them all as lessons. To achieve the life of joy for yourselves and make it real for others, you must have the courage to own your past misdeeds and accomplishments and to learn lessons from them for your present situation. You need to take a step back and view your experiences, both positive and negative, objectively, not as successes and failures or praise and blame, but as valuable feedbacks that provide information you need to learn, understand, and grow. This reflective looking back will empower you with positive thoughts, words, and deeds on which you can build a genuine, joy-filled life. The theme of the third card is forgiveness. The description on the card reads, "You are now able to activate the power of love in order to release past hurts. Forgiveness is the cornerstone of a life of joy. Reviewing your past would bring memories of past hurts from which you need to be healed. True self-healing happens only when you forgive the one who hurt you, befriend the situation of hurt, and learn a lesson for your life from this painful situation. You cannot forgive the other as long as you let your ego to be on the driver's seat. You need to let go of your ego and let the attitude of forgiveness remove every emotional distress so that the spirit of love and joy may enter your life. The attitude of forgiveness opens you to positive and loving experiences the universe bestows on you so that the life of joy can become a reality for you. The theme of the fourth card is trust. The description on the card reads, "You have a strong connection to your soul's loving voice and have faith in your intuition. Owning your past and initiating the process of self-healing by forgiving your offender and befriending the situation of hurt calls for cultivating deep connection with your inner self and trusting your intuition. Trusting in your inner self and its intuition will help you to turn your obstacles into opportunities, thereby help you to achieve the goal of the joyful life for you and for all in your circle of life." Dear Gemini friends, the universe calls you to possess deep joy within you and to communicate this joy to those around you in the month of July. Do not be afraid to own your past. Dare to forgive to effect self-healing within you. And above all, trust the whispers of your inner self, the spark of the divine in you, in order to be the possessor and communicator of the spirit of joy in the life of all you encounter. This is my wish and prayer for you for the month of July. Please like, comment, subscribe, and click the notification button. Thank you very much for watching the video. Stay blessed until we see you again with another video.